Crescent Mutual Fund Distributors Private Limited is all set to celebrate Homemaker Day on 3rd November. It will be a day full of celebration and especially designed for homemakers. I am accompanied with Jayashree Halkarnimath, who is going to share her own journey as well as how she is looking forward at the upcoming Homemakers Day. So Jayashree, tell me, you are from Belgaum, I guess. So how you build your confidence after coming to Pune, because there must be a much difference, especially cultural and language wise also.
With great hope and a fear in corner, I entered Pune city. With my broken Marathi, I used to complete all outdoor duties like buying groceries and vegetables, etc. I could hear those naughty smile on me from neighbors due to my language. One fine day, with the help of my husband, I gave an interview and luckily got a job. It was like a cherry on the top of the cake. But another good news was waiting for me. That was I was carrying. That was like a heaven to me. I chose the second one and welcomed my baby, who is my inspiration now. In my family garden, 2 beautiful flowers started blooming. As my responsibilities were increasing, somewhere in the corner of my heart was beating for my career again. So I made my mind to do something. Then qualified QMath exam and started classes, but still was not satisfied with this. Wanted to go for a good job, but was very difficult since there was no experience and a big gap of 20 years span. Dreams taken with a noble intent always come true. By God's grace, I got to meet Mr. Bhushan Vani sir, who is the director of Crescent Mutual Fund Distributor Private Limited. To have him in my life is nothing but divine intervention. He has proposed me a job, and this job has boosted me confidence forever.
Great. So you consciously decided to continue your role as a homemaker. So how was that phase? And there is a particular misconception that homemakers are not aware about finance or financial planning. So how did you build your finance or look after your finances, home finances during your period of homemaker?
See, since my childhood, my father cultivated the habit of saving money. As being housewife, I used to save little amount from monthly expenses. And also, I started tuitions. With that also, I used to save some money. I started depositing in bank. A penny saved is a penny earned. One day, I overheard my best friend speaking to her husband regarding the investments, where it was very clear that return would be more than deposits and safe also. My mind started drilling. Then I took a risk and invested 10,000 in that fund because I had the trust on my friend. Within the period of 7 to 8 years, it became 30,000, which was amazing to see. During Corona period, I made use of this amount. Since such quality investment have changed my perspective towards investments, and now I can definitely say I am on the right path of investments.
Awesome. Now, Jayashree, tell me, how do you look at upcoming Homemakers Day that Crescent is all set to celebrate?
A homemaker always plays all roles and expects nothing, So the aim is to give her a break, appreciate her job, let her know her identity, and show that even she can convert her life into celebration. Did you ever thank your mom for cleaning your room? Did you ever thank your wife for doing laundry? If not, this is the time to salute her unsung homemakers and celebrate their day. You should be always grateful to her. Crescent and we all want to welcome all the homemakers on 3rd November.
Okay. So you have played both the roles of a homemaker and a working woman. So you know exactly the strengths and weaknesses of both the roles. So suppose you got another opportunity to become a housewife, how would you change yourself or to fit in that role?
Since I am working with finance company, come across many people gained plenty of knowledge with this. I would be taking my own decisions instead of depending on others. I would encourage the housewives to do something for this short period to gain the confidence. And for the women who are fully career oriented, would like to suggest to balance with the home and office, since family is also very important.
Irrespective of whether you are a working woman or a homemaker, you should or one should always remain financially independent. That's the motto. Thank you so much, Jayashree. Now, just tell us if any of our listeners want to register for Homemaker Day. So, what are the criteria and how they should register?
Link of the Google form is there in the description of this episode. You can fill and register yourself. If any doubt, please connect me on this number 8073604276. I'll repeat again the number 8073604276.
Thank you so much, Jayashree, and wish you all the best for the upcoming Homemaker Day. Disclaimer: म्युच्युअल फंड गुंतवणूक ही बाजारातील जोखमीच्या अधीन आहे. गुंतवणूकदारांनी योजनेशी संबंधित सर्व कागदपत्रे काळजीपूर्वक वाचावीत. फंडा म्युच्युअल फंडाचा या पॉडकास्टचा उद्देश गुंतवणूकविषयक जनजागृती हा आहे. या पॉडकास्टच्या आधारे घेतलेल्या गुंतवणूक निर्णयांमुळे कुणा व्यक्तीचे अथवा संस्थेचे नुकसान झाल्यास क्रिसेंट म्युच्युअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्युटर प्रायव्हेट लिमिटेड किंवा साऊंड्सग्रेट एनएम ऑडिओ सोल्युशन्स LLP जबाबदार राहणार नाही याची कृपया नोंद घ्यावी.